In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your GoHighLevel survey to make it not only functional, but also visually appealing and aligned with your brand's identity. Let's dive right in and bring your survey to life. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Survey Builder. To get there, navigate to the Sites section, then head over to Surveys. Here, you can either create a brand new survey or open an existing one, whatever suits your needs best. Once you have your survey in front of you, click on the Edit or Builder button. This will open up the intuitive drag and drop editor, a powerful tool that allows you to design and customize your survey with ease. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to focus on customizing colors to align your survey with your brand's look and feel. Select the specific survey or page section you intend to edit, and start by choosing your background color. Then move on to the text, button, border, and progress bar colors. A quick tip here. It's essential to use high contrast colors to ensure readability. Make sure these design elements match your overall website branding, which helps create a seamless user experience for your audience. Don't forget to keep your call to action buttons visually prominent as they guide your respondents to complete the survey. Next up, let's talk about fonts and typography, a crucial aspect for enhancing user engagement. You have the flexibility to customize several elements here, including font family, size, weight, line spacing, and text alignment. Here's a recommended setup to get you started. Use large question headings to grab attention and ensure that the body text is easy to read. Opt for font sizes that are mobile-friendly so that respondents on various devices have an effortless reading experience. It's all about striking a balance between style and readability. Finally, you'll want to style the buttons to make sure they're not only functional but also stylish and inviting. Once you've set everything up to your satisfaction, make sure to save your work. This ensures all your carefully crafted designs and modifications are preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully styled your GoHighLevel survey to reflect your brand while making it easy and enjoyable for your respondents to navigate. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced the survey's aesthetics, but also improved the overall user experience. Remember, a well-designed survey can significantly impact response rates, making it worthwhile to invest a little time perfecting your setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.